Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Turn on your cameras. Everyone turn on your cameras. So in exercise 8.1 till ninth question we have solved. So 10th question let us have a look at. Exercise 8.1, 10th question. Question number 10. So guys, in triangle PQR, right angled at, I request you all to turn and open your textbook. Right angled at Q. Here he has given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Then determine the values of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Look at this. Basically, right angle triangle is talking about PQR. PQR. PR plus QR. PR plus QR. PR plus QR is equal to how much? 25 given. So PQ is equal to 5 centimeters given. Alright. So PQ is 5 centimeters given. So PR plus QR 25 given. So this plus this together 25. Now let us have a look at this. So here I know that according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? So now here
Yes, sir.
now PQ square.
Your voice is a bit low, sir. Can you please?
PR square is minus QR square. Can I write like this? So PQ square means 25. PQ square means 25, no? 5 square, guys. PQ is 5, square is equal to PR square minus QR square. Alright. This is what I got. So which gives me 25 is equal to, so PR square minus QR square matlab PR plus QR एक बार and PR minus QR one time. Can I write A plus B into A minus B? Can I write A plus B into A minus B, guys? Yes or no? So PR plus QR given. PR plus QR 25 given. So 25 is equal PR plus given 25 into PR minus QR. So ये गया. So now PR is equal QR. PR is equal QR I got.
Sir, how did you get the
No, no, no,
25 as com?
no. Look at this here. Not 25. 1 second. Plus if it is plus, you can comment. So here PR minus QR is equal to 25 minus 25. It is going to be 1, isn't it? Yes or no? So PR plus QR I know, which is 25 given. This is given part. So this is my first equation. Let us say this is my second equation. Solve 192. Solve 1 and 2. Add these two, or like you add 1. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 plus 2. What I'm going to get here? 2 times of PR is equal to 26. So PR gives me 13. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, how you got 25 to 10?
अरे भाई, ये कहाँ दिया है? क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं आपने? ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन कहाँ है? देखो, PR प्लस QR क्या दिया है यहाँ पे? दिस इज 25. 5 स्क्वायर हाउ मच? 25. 25 आई एम राइटिंग एज इट इज. आ रहा है समझ? In the question itself, they have given PR plus QR is equal to 25, guys. In place of PR plus QR, I'm writing 25. Understood? Since given that PR plus QR is equal to 25. Clear? Clear?
Sir, we have to write this equation, sir.
Which one?
Yes, since it's given this one.
अरे भाई, ये नहीं लिखेंगे तो कहाँ से पता चलेगा एग्जामिनर को? यू हैव टू राइट. अगर नहीं लिख रहा है तो एग्जामिनर को कहाँ से पता चलेगा? पेपर इवॉल्वेटर को. If you are not writing, how would he understood? How would he understand? How would he understand that you have written the given part? For writing given, guys, whatever, if you are writing the data which has been provided in the question, for that they will be award you 1 mark. Understand? For given, in examination you must write deeply. So first start with the given. Given, this is what the data has been given. Like that you must write. So you write here given PR plus QR is equal to 25. All right. And PQ is equal to 5 centimeters given. So that's what I'm writing. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, I got this one. So after that, 5 square is 25 I'm getting here. So A square minus B square formula. A square minus B square formula, how I'm writing here? A square minus B square formula. A plus B into A minus B. आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है? Any doubt?
No.
हाँ. So 25. So PR plus QR into PR minus QR. So 25 is equal to 25 into PR minus QR. All right. All right. So here now PR minus QR is equal to 25 divided by 25. So is equal to 1 I got. So PR plus QR is equal to 25. So if I add 1 plus 2, I'm getting PR is equal to 13. All right. So PR 13 means what is going to be my QR now? Guys, if PR is 13, then what is going to be my QR?
QR is 12.
Yes. So from the first equation you take PR is minus QR is equal to 1 means PR is 13 here minus QR is equal to 1. So QR is equal to 12 here. Yes or no? So मुझे आ गया अभी देखो PR कितना आया? What I got? PR how much PR? PR 13. ये आया 12. Now can't I find out here? Now let us have a look at this. मुझे find out करना है sin P, cos P, tan P. Tan P. Sin P is what? Sin P here. Opposite. Opposite is what? 12 by 13. Cos P क्या? Adjacent. 5 by 13. 12 by 5. Tan हो गया 12 by 5. कोई डाउट यहाँ पे? सो ये होगा मेरा आंसर, समझा? एनी डाउट गाइस?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, instead of doing this much, we can take QR is equals to 25 minus x and simply do the Pythagoras theorem also, we're getting 13.
Which one ma?
If PR plus QR is equals to 25, then QR we can take it as 25 minus x, no sir. If we take PR as x.
Yes, you can write it out. Anyhow, it is correct. Nothing wrong in that. You can write like this: QR is equal 25 minus x. After this, you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get x. That's what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
You can do that. You can do that. But however, the answer is going to be the same, right? Understand, children? Very simple question. So, 11th question. Question 11 is homework. Understand? Question 11 is a homework. What he has given, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. The value of tan A is always less than 1. अरे यार बहुत simple सा question है. Already we have discussed all these things. You must solve this question. ठीक है? So exercise 1.1 we have done, guys. So let us have a look at the exercise 1.2. I mean 8.2. बच्चों आ रहा है समझ? I think we have stepped in 8.2 as
Yes,
well.
sir. We did 8.2.
My goodness. Then no one is telling यार. So sad. Question number 2. अरे यार question number 2 तो same question as, लेकिन we have given the question paper. So now exercise 8.2. So first question, second question, we have second question as it is. Every question has been given in the question paper. So question number 3 will solve it. Question number 1, question number 2 we have done. Question number 3 will solve it now. Clear? If you didn't do this, if you didn't finish this, you take it as a homework. Clear? So question number 3. Question number 3 there, if tan of A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, and where A lies between, here A plus B is greater than 0 degrees and here 90 degrees. A plus B lies between 0 and 90 degrees. A greater than B दिया है. Find A and B. Find A and B. Clear, children? All right. So tan A plus B given. Look at it. First you write, guys, given tan A plus B is equal to root 13. All right. Which is equal to what? Tan 60. Can I write tan 60? So what is my A plus B now? A plus B is equal to what now? 60 degrees.
60.
Can I write? Here tan will get cancelled, guys. A plus B is equal to 60. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubt here? So let us take this my equation number 1. He told that A plus B should be lies between 0 to 90 degrees only. Yes, 60 is lies between 0 to 90 only, no? Yes or no? Yes. A plus B lies between. Now he has given tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means tan 30.
10:30.
So tan goes here. So what I remain with now? A minus B gives me 30 degrees. Gives me 30 degrees, which is second equation. Let it consider as. Alright. Now what I need to find? I need to find A and B. So add 1 plus 2. What I'm getting here? Add 1 plus 2. So A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. So what I'm going to remain with here? Plus B minus B will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 90 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees. Koi doubt? Any doubt, children?
No doubt, sir.
Alright, so here 2 ones, 245. So guys, we are going everything step by step. So I found A. So if A is equal to 45 degrees, from the second equation you write it out. A
B
minus
is
G is
45
equal
minus
to
root 3.
30 degrees. So 45 minus B is equal to 30 degrees, which gives me 15 degrees.
60.
So B gives me 15 degrees. Yes or no? Any doubt
Yes,
here?
sir.
वेरी सिंपल. कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन है देखो भाई. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग जाते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन पे. समझ रहे हैं? कोई डाउट यहाँ पे गाइस? कोई डाउट यहाँ पे?
No doubts, sir.
हाँ, here always he has given the condition guys. Look at this, let us verify. A plus B should be lies between 0 to 90 guys, and that is what, A plus B we got 60, which is lies between 90. Verified. A is supposed to be greater than B. Whatever answer A got, look at this here. Here A is greater than B, of course. The given conditions, everything satisfying here. Clear? आ रहा है समझ में? कोई डाउट चिल्ड्रन?
No doubts, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
चलो
Nice.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 guys. Question number 4. State whether the following statements true or false. A sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Guys, you just look at this here. The first question given. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. This is what given. Now we have to check it out whether this A sin A plus B, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B or not. We have to check it out. Look at this. So guys, if A is equal, you take 45 degrees, and B is equal, let us take some, you say 45 degrees. All right, you say 5, you can take anything. Look at this. So now sin A plus B matlab 45 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to sin 45 degrees plus sin 45 degrees. I'm substituting here guys. Look at this, I'm substituting here. So sin 45 plus 45, which gives me 90 degrees. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 here. Sin 90 how much? 1. So 1 is not equal to 2 by root 2, which is equal to what? Root 2. 1 is not equal to root 2 here. So the given statement is false. Alright, समझ? कोई doubt? कोई doubt children? Any doubt here?
No doubt.
See here how I wrote here. Many children might be getting confused here. See here, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 gives me 2 by root 2 guys. So 2 by root 2 can be written as how? I'm writing, look at this here, 1 is not equal to 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, right? By root 2. If I cancel this, I'm getting 1 is not equal to root 2. That is the answer. So first statement is false. And
Sir,
yes.
sir, sin A plus B equals to sin A plus sin B.
Hmm.
Sir, we can multiply sin with A plus B, then we'll get sin A plus sin B.
Oh, how you multiply, man? You cannot multiply sin A plus sin B. You are saying like this?
Yes, by multiplying sin A.
No, you cannot multiply. You should not. Look at this is angle. This is angle. This is a fully. It is like sin theta. All right. It is not sin. You cannot split sin A plus sin B. You cannot split. This is a fully angle, man. In place of angle, we have A plus B. You can write sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. But sin, this is fully what? This is equal to sin theta only. This is fully is equal to theta here. You cannot split sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. You cannot. That is absolutely wrong. Clear? Don't do never do that. You don't do that. Clear? So it is a fully
Yes.
angle. Angle cannot be splitting. Angle cannot be, angle can't be splitted over there. So that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is a single angle. So you'll be learning about all these things in your 11th standard very briefly. So let us learn whatever has been given in your book. Clear? So we are very advanced than your textbook basically. So why I thought even Shadab was saying that, sir, the whatever compound angles we were learned, we have learned, so that is not given in your textbook. Is there anything that if it is not given, we shouldn't learn like that? It's anything something like that? It is not like, isn't it? If you are learning, if you are so advanced, what will happen is it will be very useful for your next academic year. Which means when you are coming for 11th standard, it will be very useful for you guys. So you can solve it without the help of the teacher. That is, I'm sure, that is my guarantee to you guys. If you are preparing well now, if you are understanding it clearly now, if you are following the class notes, if you are following the classes properly, I am sure you that without even taking a help of a teacher, you will be solving all types of problems in your 11th standard. Why? Because almost 70% of the 10th trigonometry will be equal to 11th standard trigonometry. So that's what I'm telling you. Please be aware of this. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So fourth one, first one we have done. So second one, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. True. Yes or no? If you increase
Yes,
the
sir, true.
true. Look at this. What is the question given? The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Look at this here. Sin 0 is 0 da. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sin 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degrees is what? 1. Look at this now. It is 0 here. 1 by 2 is how much? 0 0.5. And here what? It is increasing. 0 to 0 0.5 we got. So 1 by 1 by root 2, it will be 0.7 something. It will be 0.8 something. It is 1 here. So what's happening here? It is keep increasing. So the statement is true. Clear? Any doubt, children? Any doubt?
No.
How simple it is? Very simple. So remaining question you guys have to solve. Remaining questions you have to solve. And look at this here. 3, 4, 5 you must solve. I won't teach you now. 3, 4, 5. These are all homework. So next, let us solve the fifth question. Question number 5. Clear? Question number 5. I think we have only 4 questions in exercise 2. We have only 4 questions, guys. So next, let us have a look at the exercise 8.3. Understanding, guys? You guys are understanding?
Yes, sir. We are understanding.
We are in what exercise 8.3, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
8.1 we are in 8. 8 point we have done 8.3. Let us solve that. Hello, boys. We don't have fifth question. So next exercise 8.3. Okay. Exercise 8.3. The first question. All right. The first question. He has given the first question. Evaluate. In the first question, first one is sin 18 degrees divided by cos 72 degrees. How can you solve this? Look at this, everyone. Guys, this can be solved as everyone. Look at this. Please try to understand carefully. Sin 18 can be written as sin 90 degrees minus 72 degrees. Sin 90 minus 72, how much? 18 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now sin 90 minus theta, according to quadrant system, 90 minus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all will be positive. So when what I told you, so 90, whenever the theta is 90, the sign will be changing it to cos. So cos 72 degrees in the numerator, cos 72 degrees in the denominator. So answer is what now?
1.
1. Answer is going to be what? Very simple. Answer is going to be 1. Very simple. Any doubt, children? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Second question is homework. Third one. Look at the third one. So cos 48 degrees minus. So guys, everyone should solve all the problems whatever I'm giving to you homework. So if you don't remember the homework, you just go through this from Google Classroom. You download the class notes. So I'll be writing everything neatly. So this is the homework. That question is the homework. So go through that, find it out. Clear? चलो तो कल इसको कैसा करेंगे अभी देखो इसको सॉल्यूशन देखिए cos 48 can be written as how? Can I write cos 90 minus 42 gives me 48 only, no? Guys, cos 48 I'm writing 90 minus 42, 48 only, no? Sin I'm writing as it is. So sin cos 90 minus theta how much? Sin 42. माइनस साइन 42। आंसर कितना बताओ जल्दी से।
0.
0 इज माय फाइनल आंसर। कोई डाउट यहाँ से? कितना सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, देख आ रहा है समझ भाई, आ रहा है ना समझ, आ रहा है ना सबको? दिस इज द होमवर्क। ऑलराइट, fourth question is also homework. I hope first question is clear with everyone. Shall we move for the second one? चलेंगे? Yes or no? फटाफट बताइए भाई।
Yes,
हेलो,
sir.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, second question, so show that, first question is show that tan 48 degrees into tan, so guys if you are not understanding you must ask me the next class, okay? Tan 23 degrees to tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equal to 1, इसको शो करना है 1 के बराबर, ठीक है? हाँ देखो इसको कैसे करेंगे? पहला गाइस लुक एट दिस, बी केयरफुल हियर, यू राइट 18 as it is, you just compare this thing guys, look at this, tan 48 and 42 90, so 23 and 67 90, तो देखो इसको दोनों, ये tan 48 tan 42 के बीच में कोई ना कोई रिलेशन दिख रहा है हमको, ऐसा
Yes.
no? हाँ कोई ना कोई रिलेशन दिख रहा है, व्हाट रिलेशन वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, एंड 23 एंड 67 के बीच में कोई ना कोई रिलेशन दिख रहा है, 48 प्लस 42 मिलाएंगे तो क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? 90 मिल
90.
रहा है। हाँ solve this question, look at this, बहुत सिंपल है, इसको कोई ना डिस्टर्ब मत करो, 42 tan 23 को भी कोई मत डिस्टर्ब करो, ठीक हो? tan 42 को हम लोग लिखेंगे tan 90 माइनस 48 इंटू tan 67 को लिखेंगे हम लोग 90 माइनस 23 के बराबर, आ रहा है? आ रहा है ना, समझ आ रहा है? तो tan 42 क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? tan 42 ही लिखेंगे इंटू tan 23 ही रखेंगे, tan 90 माइनस 48 क्या आता है? cot, बेटा cot 48 आता है, ये क्या आता है? cot 23 आता है, देख लीजिए। तो देखो tan, सॉरी ये क्या आ रहा है भाई, अरे अरे यार इधर तो 42 मिलेगा ना, 90 माइनस 48 ना, 90 माइनस 48 इधर 90, हाँ तो cot 48 आ गया, cot 42 आ गया इधर, cot 42 डिग्री, देखो tan 42 इंटू tan 23 इंटू cot 42 को लिखेंगे 1/tan 42, कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला, कोई लेने देने, तो इसको लिखेंगे tan 23, तो ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, सब खत्म हो गया, ये एक मिला मुझे, हेंस प्रूव्ड, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Sir, in the third one, tan 90 minus 48.
Guys,
Shouldn't it be?
we wrote wrong here. We wrote wrong
Yeah.
here. Here it must be 48 only. कोई अरे यार कौन भी नहीं बता रहा है भाई, देख लुक एट दिस हियर, 48 दिया है तो मैंने 42 लिख दिया गलती से। अब इधर क्या आएगा? अभी देखो 42 मिलेगा इधर मुझे, सॉरी इधर क्या मिलेगा?
42.
42 नहीं भाई, 90 माइनस 42 करेंगे तो 48 लिखना पड़ेगा इधर, 48, तो अभी इधर 48 आ रहा है ना समझ? अभी आ रहा है? अभी सही है, ठीक है। 42, ये बहुत बच्चों ने गलती कर देता है एक बार, कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुझे ये सॉल्व करके जल्दी से बताइए, cos 38 डिग्री cos 52 डिग्री माइनस sin 38 डिग्री इंटू sin 52 डिग्री, ऑलराइट। आ रहा है समझ?
Yes.
इसका वैल्यू बताइए जल्दी, इसका वैल्यू 0 से प्रूव करना है, ठीक है। यू हैव टू प्रूव दिस एज 0, शो दैट, जल्दी से शो कीजिए, मेक इट फास्ट। टाइम अप भाई, टाइम अप। टाइम अप, डन। अरे यार कितना देर करेंगे, लुक एट दिस भाई, I have to prove this as 0. What is the relation between these two? Cos 38
90.
52 को मिलेंगे, मिलाएंगे। If I add 38 and 52, I'm getting 90. Look at this. Cos, can I write now? Cos 90 degrees minus
52.
or else you write like this. Basic simple example. You write cos 38 as it is, or else you write cos. Yes, correct only. Shut up. You can write like this. 90 minus 38 taking इसको
Yes, sir.
minus इसको क्या करेंगे?
Sine 38 into sine 90 minus 38.
Sin 90 minus 38. हाँ सर, why you are not changing this one? Why can't you change this one? अरे यार कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, चेंज करके देख लो भाई, चेंज करके देख लो, आ रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं आ रहा तो इसको रख लो बस एज इट इज, ठीक है। देखो cos 38 डिग्री, cos 90 माइनस थीटा कितना?
Sine
sin 38 माइनस sin 38 into cos 52, सॉरी cos कितना? cos 38 ना,
yes sir, cos 38.
cos 38 डिग्री, इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से लिख लीजिए। अभी देखो sin 38 ये क्या है भाई? 0, दिस माइनस दिस 0 तो आएगा, प्लस माइनस कैंसिल होके तो 0 मिलेगा मुझे, यस और नो?
Yes,
चलो ये हो गया आंसर 0। शो हेंस प्रूव्ड, हम लोग लिख देंगे हेंस प्रूव्ड लास्ट पे, राइट एज हेंस प्रूव्ड। क्लियर? एनी डाउट? इधर भी हेंस प्रूव्ड लिख देंगे,
no sir.
इधर भी 1 मिला है तो देयरफॉर हेंस प्रूव्ड। कुछ भी करके हेंस प्रूव्ड मत लिखना, ठीक है, बराबर करना, हेंस प्रूव्ड लिखना, तभी मार्क्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है। ये हो गया हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन। तीसरा क्वेश्चन पे चलेंगे हम लोग। तीसरा क्वेश्चन, कोई डाउट चिल्ड्रन? एनी डाउट हियर? तुषार इज नॉट टॉकिंग इन क्लास।
No, sir.
Tushar is not talking. Ahil is not talking. Anil is not talking. Srija, Pratyusha, Pratibha, these people are not talking in class. You should talk and you should respond. Say yes sir, no. Yes or no guys?
Understood.
हाँ,
Understood, sir.
आपका वीडियो टर्न ऑन कीजिए एक बार। एवरीवन प्रतिभा, प्रत्युषा, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? आहिल, वीडियो टर्न ऑन। स्टीव बेंजामिन, दीक्षा, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem in understanding?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okta,
Yeah.
superb. Yes or no? Excellent, amazing.
Sir.
Yes or no? Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
Very good. What about Tanvi?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Beta,
Sir, can you please scroll upwards, sir? I have to write, sir.
प्लीज प्रत्युषा बताइए।
Yes.
प्रत्युषा बोल रहा हूँ, क्या बोलता है? तन्वी, तन्वी
Yes,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
sir.
श्योर?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I didn't ask. I asked only two. So you should only 2 times yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Okay, what about you, Pratibha?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Pratyusha?
Understood, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल कोई डाउट नहीं है ना? हाँ?
No doubt.
Okay. आकिल? आकिल भाई, आकिल जी कहाँ हो? आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ। आशीष? आकिल?
Yes, sir.
आकिल? ठीक है, चलो अभी देखते हैं तीसरा क्वेश्चन। अभी चलते हैं तीसरा क्वेश्चन पे, ठीक है? तीसरा क्वेश्चन दिया है इफ tan 2a इज इक्वल गाइस, इफ tan 2a इज इक्वल cot a minus 18 डिग्री, ठीक है? where
Sir, I got the answer.
2a is acute angle, ठीक है? फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a का वैल्यू कितना है? देखो एक्यूट एंगल मतलब क्या होता है? 90 डिग्री, 0 से 90 होता है। कैसे याद रखना सर? एक्यूट को कैसे याद रखना? लेस देन 90 या एक्यूट कैसे याद रखना? अरे भाई एक्यूट क्यूट होता है। क्यूट कब होता है? छोटा होता है तो क्यूट होता है, ठीक है? एंगल भी छोटा होना चाहिए, समझ रहे हैं ना? आ रहा है समझ? देखो
Yes,
भाई,
sir.
0 to 90 degrees, theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees. सर हाउ टू रिमेम्बर दिस? एब्ट्यूस मतलब 90 से 180, आ रहे ना? राइट एंगल मतलब 90 डिग्री। एक्यूट एब्ट्यूस में बहुत बच्चों ने कंफ्यूज होता है। याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ। एक्यूट क्यूट रहता है, कब क्यूट रहता है? एंगल छोटा हो तो कभी क्यूट रहता है, आ रहा है समझ? व्हेन द छोटू बच्चा, सुनो, छोटू चिल्ड्रन, स्मॉल बच्चा, LKG नर्सरी बच्चों ने, ये लोग बहुत क्यूट लगता है ना, तो वो कब क्यूट लगता है? 90 मीन 0 से 90, बहुत छोटा होता है, एंगल भी छोटा होना चाहिए। मैंने याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ भाई, ठीक है? उधर एक्यूट एंगल मतलब एक्यूट एंगल, इफ यू आस्क समबडी आस्क यू एक्यूट एंगल मतलब क्यूट एंगल, ऐसा नहीं बताना, ठीक है? यू शुड नॉट टेल लाइक दिस गाइस। एक्यूट एंगल मतलब 0 से 90, ठीक है? जोक्स अपार्ट, लेट अस गेट। हाँ देखो भाई, tan 2a इज इक्वल गाइस, tan 2a इज इक्वल, he has given, this is given, right? So देखो tan 2a को look at this guys, how can I convert into here 2a is acute angle बता रहा है, तो वो 90 से कुछ संबंध है उसका, कोई रिलेशन है 90 से, तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? कैन आई राइट tan 90 minus 2a? tan 90 minus 2a gives me again tan 2a. Yes or no? Sir, how did you get an idea that we have to convert that into tan? How did you get an idea that we have to write in terms of cot? अरे भाई देखो, लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड पे कॉट में है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी कॉट होना चाहिए, तभी मुझे मिलेगा ना आंसर ए का वैल्यू। अभी देखो सिंपल सा कॉट चले गया भाई, इसको काट देना, 90 minus 2a इज इक्वल a माइनस ये हो गया। देखो 3a कितना, 3a नहीं, या माइनस 3a इज इक्वल माइनस 108, आ रहे ना? समझ रहे? तो ये हो गया भाई, तो ये इज इक्वल टू कितना? 36 डिग्री, आ रहा है समझ? 3 1 3, 3 36 108, आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट चिल्ड्रन?
No, sir.
Yes, understood. So A is acute angle, 2A is acute angle, 2A is acute angle। देखो हम लोग अभी वो बोल रहा था, he was telling that 2A is what? Acute angle। मुझे ये कितना मिला? 36 डिग्री। देखो 36 इंटू 2 कितना 72। देखो बेटा 2a कितना आया मुझे 72। ये तो एक्यूट एंगल है ना, 72 तो एक्यूट एंगल ही है ना, यस और नो?
Yes.
Why? Because it is a less than 90 which lies between 0 to 90, so it is acute angle। हम लोग हमारा आंसर जो भी मिला है सही है, एकदम सही है। मैंने वेरीफाई कर रहा हूँ, आई एम वेरीफाइंग whether my answer is correct or not। Of course correct। Why it is correct? Why? Because it is satisfying all the given conditions in the question। Understood? आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट बेटा? नेक्स्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 दिया है, देखो प्रूव दैट ना इफ tan a is equal cot b, then प्रूव कीजिए a plus b is equal 90 degrees, a plus b is equal 90 degrees। देखो बेटा ये as given, how can I prove this? हाँ इसको देखो, you have to write every time given guys। so tan a cot b can I write as tan 90 minus b, yes or no? so tan खत्म, तो a मिला मुझे, a is equal to what I got 90 minus b, so a plus b कितना 90 degrees, hence proved। ये तो मिला मुझे, तो hence proved, therefore hence proved। hence proved, yes or no? yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
कोई दिक्कत है? बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज होमवर्क, आई मीन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज होमवर्क। ट्राई सॉल्विंग द फिफ्थ वन, everyone should solve this। question number 6। if ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, if A comma B and C are interior, guys everyone should solve your worksheet problems। I have given you a worksheet, please everyone। all right, are you guys solving that?
Yes, sir.
Please go to that, angles of a triangle ABC, ठीक है? then show that sin of B plus C by 2 is equal cos of A by 2। कैसा प्रूव करेंगे? हाउ कैन आई प्रूव दिस? गाइस हियर ABC आर
If
इंटीरियर एंगल्स। देखो भाई हम लोग सिंपल सा देखो, एक फंडामेंटल एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। फंडामेंटल क्या है? ये मुझे मिल गया B C। let us say these all are interior angles given, so sum of all angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees। so now can I write sum of all interior angles is equal to 180 degrees? yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes or no? so from triangle you write from triangle is equal to this one। so now here he is talking about B plus C, so let us make subject of B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A। तो ये साइन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो let us apply sin on both sides।
so before that we can divide by 2 on both sides.
yes, yeah, true। why? because he is talking about B plus 2, so divide with 2 on both sides, so B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus A divided by 2। all right, so देखो, after this can I apply sin theta on both sides, or else look at this, now let us write,
Simplify the 90.
look at this, so here 180 by 2 minus A by 2, can I split like this? why? because I have to find out in terms of A by 2। so देखिए ध्यान से सुनिए, B plus C divided by 2 is equal 90 degrees minus A by 2। आ रहा है समझ? now apply, or you taking sin on both sides, so sin of b plus c by 2 is equal sine of 90 minus a by 2. Clear? So sine of b plus 2 as it is I'm writing. Sin 90 minus theta how much? Cos theta. Cos a by 2. ये मुझे प्रूव करना था. Therefore hence proved. Any doubt? Any doubt? How simple it is यार, बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. So exercise 8.3 also खत्म. सबको फटाफट शूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. पबजी खेल रहे हैं क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं बेटा, हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है था. आ रहा है ना, समझ आ रहा है? कोई समझ में आ रहा है ना? Shall we go for the next exercise?
Yes, sir.
Are we going fast? Are we going
Sir,
fast?
we didn't do the 7th question on this.
कौन तो क्वेश्चन होमवर्क ले लीजिए ना, जो भी है.
Okay, so yeah, done.
Why? Because guys, if I teach everything, what will you do then? Seventh question is homework. What is the question?
Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees.
ये होमवर्क ले लीजिए. If you are not understanding, just ask me in tomorrow's class. Okay? ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone? Anyone? अनुदीप? अरे भाई करंट तो चले गया. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Children, I lost the power. I'm just connecting with my mobile data. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suddenly it got disconnected. No issues. I lost the power actually. I don't have. See, Anudip will give me the answer. Anudip, what exactly will you get by looking at the question? By looking at the question, what idea will you get? It is looking like a cube plus b cube. Numerator. A cube plus b cube, I know. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? What is the formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now what is a here? Let us apply. So from the numerator, let us write a plus b into a square plus b square. 1 second. B square is what here? Cos square theta.
Sir, which question are you doing?
I'm doing first question. Can I able to see the screen?
I don't see it in exercise 8.4.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. It's not there.
So this is extra question basically. Extra question. So I just found extra question. It is not in the exercise. Okay.
No, sir.
This is extra question. Look at this. So not 8.4. Extra question. I think I have no. नहीं 8.4 का नहीं है, extra question है. ठीक है. This is extra question. Some extra question.
Sir, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta cancel.
देखो answer is what? Now this will get cancelled. What I remain with now? Beta, look at this. Now this plus this gives me 1, no? Yes or no? 1 minus sin theta cos theta. This is my answer. कोई doubt? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Very simple.
No, sir.
Sir, can't we simplify it further?
Yes, you cannot do that. Let it be as it is. That is what you can write. You cannot.
Okay.
If you want, you can cos theta again 1 by e secant theta, then sin theta by secant theta. No need of writing. Let it be. That is the final answer. Clear. Extra question. So now let us look at the 8.4 exercise. Question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay, very good question. Express the, guys, is it recording?
Yes, sir.
Trigonometric sin A, secant A, and tan A. In terms of cot A. All right. Children, so it is disturbing a lot. Children, it is disturbing a lot. So let us discuss 8.4 in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. So I'll share these notes. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.